to acknowledge a poet who couldn't be here. Her name is Tanika. And she's a new poet, but she has this poem called, like, You Feeling Me? Yeah, you feeling me. I like that poem, so I just wanted to acknowledge her tonight because she experienced a loss and she couldn't be here with us tonight. Okay, so
Do your thing, bro.
moving right along. I have no segue, sorry. Yeah, got my cue. First one is called Pound Cake. And I wrote this one, give y'all a little intro. It's about my first experience as an adult with a female. Okay. So, it's the most exotic, the too erotic, and not to mention so psychotic situation that I have ever been in. It's also hypnotic till you try it, just don't knock it. Feel me, fellas, I too am intimate with women. I've always ignored until I tried and explored less traveled avenues of my sexuality. But when I opened the door to what she asked me for, I found it was my speciality. A woman just like me is an art form in herself, and I was curious to know just what it was and how it felt. It started off as foreplay and progressed to masturbating. She let me have it my way and she left me perspirating. Her big black nipples so hard and pretty, they stood up as tall as bullets. It couldn't hurt to take a lick to me, I thought, now could it? I know just where to touch her, although it's my first time. And she responds in ecstasy while I help her to unwind. I imagine she's me laying there and how I want to be done right. I close my eyes, take one deep breath, lean in, and take a bite. Pussy is quite an acquired taste, but one that I don't mind. In fact, I quite enjoy the gift whenever she eats mine. It's definitely a switch from a fade, a mustache, and a beard to long ass hair, donkey ass everywhere. She put her lips right where? So weird. It might even be fun for a dude to join, but really I must say, we don't need help with what we doing, and we only get Don't get me wrong, y'all. I still love dick. That that is so true. But I also got pound cake, and I like to eat it too.
Let me some pound cake.
This one is called Something Sexual. This feeling I'm about to describe is safe to say complexual. When my pussy is tender inside, I tend to settle for something sexual. Ladies, have you ever wanted this so bad but your organs wouldn't cooperate? Maybe because they too hurting and they too sore to even masturbate? The sex you had the night before still